real train.
Oh, some container
truck.
truck. Test train. Test trucks. Oh, damn it, bridge. Now look what you've done. Water train. We're walking to Dollands Moor Sidings.
Yeah, well done.
What do you two think about this?
Fun.
What do you think, Chris?
It's the best. Where's my Eurostar?
You'll record a Eurostar soon.
I've been waiting for ages.
Titanic! Our quest to Dollands Moor Sidings continues. We go that way.
We went through a fence. We went through a bloody fence.
Chris, wait. We need to make sure the road's safe. Our quest is still going on to get to Dollands Moor Sidings. I thought Diana wasn't coming today. Our quest to Dollands Moor Siding continues.
Let's go for a swim.
Where?
There's a pool over there.
Oh, there is as well. We think we're nearly there.
What the fuck? How far away from now?
We thought that was it, but it's not. Do you know what? I think we're nearly there. We're here. Our quest ends. We made it to Dollands Moor Sidings. Yay! Now enjoy some pictures from the yard. Our quest to Dollands Moor Sidings continues. We go that way.
We went through a fence. We went through a bloody fence.
Chris, wait. We need to make sure the road's safe.
When did that steel train get in there?
Whoa!